Hey everyone! Today my grandma and I are going to show you how we cook chicken kare-kare. Kare-kare is traditionally made with oxtail. Although oxtail tastes super delicious, we decided to replace it with chicken to make this dish both faster and healthier. Here are your ingredients for today. Take a screenshot and keep on listening. Chicken pad chai or bok choy, these green beans, eggplant. We have some of our garlic pre-cuts, and then our onions.
1/4 of this, put it in the cup and stir it with water, so it will not. We will liquefy it. Okay.
Okay. Kare-kare is typically eaten with bagoong or shrimp paste. I love the saltiness of the bagoong when I eat kare-kare because it balances well with the peanut butter. However, my grandma prefers to reduce her intake of salt by eliminating bagoong when she eats this. To compromise, she focuses on seasoning the chicken to add more flavor to the dish instead of adding more bagoong to her plate.
Okay. Anything you will fry, it's good to have pepper. Anything you cook, good to have pepper. Only not in sinigang, there's no pepper. At least there is a taste in the chicken. And then fry a little. Anything you do, always fry little. It will always come out with really good flavor. You can eliminate. Caramelize the onion,
Okay.
all those things, that's the taste of the chicken, it's there, so that's why it's tasty. Then the onion, but here, all of the garlic really cooked. And then I will mix it with the onion. That's not too much oil, see? You don't want too much oil because the peanut butter is oily.
Once the garlic and onions are cooked, you can add back the chicken.
Kind of
Hard labor.
washing by hand, everything. Work,
Yeah.
walking. Oh yeah, all kinds of hard job. When you put boiling water, it's better. Because when you put cold water and then you will wait till it will get boil again, that's why it's mushy. That's why boiling water is always the best.
Okay, you want the meat to be super tender before you put any vegetables inside.
Right.
Peanut butter.
The cooking is so simple. You just have to wait a while, right?
How much water did you put in here?
Don't put too much water. Depends on how much vegetable you will put. You can put like 6 cups because it will still boil. And when it's boiled, the water dissolves. Once in a while, check.
See how it's now thicker after the second bowl? That's roughly how you want your consistency to look like. When we make kare-kare, there's an order for which vegetables you put in first. First, we add the sitaw, the Filipino green beans, because it takes longer to cook. After 15 minutes, we can add the sliced eggplant.
Then, perfect. You just cover it. And it's still thick. Yeah, you have to do like this. Be sure it's thick.
Finally, after 7 minutes or so, you can add the pad chai or bok choy because it takes the least amount of time to cook. Let it boil for a few minutes before turning off the stove.
Yeah, I think this is okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Boom. Just use that tomorrow. And that's it. You get it all you don't want that time. But, this is okay.
And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Don't forget to enjoy this dish with some hot rice and a spoonful of bagoong. Like and subscribe for more yummy dishes and comment below how you make kare-kare. See you next time!